Nana's my my light girl. I think this is the Pandem body kit. I'm not sure. It looks like it. And then there's a Hawkeye Subi over here. Also on our 888Rs. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Look at this. Like this little delete they have in the back. There's another Subi on Toyos. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Hey Nala, how do you drive this thing? Oh man, I wish I brought my RC car. This is cool. Every 90s, oh no, 80s baby's dream car in high school. Integra. And this looks to be a Type R. I'm not sure if it's real, but freaking awesome. I have one just like it, but not a Type R. No VTEC, an LS, but it's white. And then I also had one of these after college. Not white, no, this is a Mugen front end, I think. Mine was just kind of Type R replica wannabe. But this is badass. Integra? EK. Pick one. Or S2000s. So we shot this car last year. It's an FD RX-7 with an LS1, I think. Super cool. I think if I remember correctly, it makes 470-ish horsepower. Pretty cool. I mean, a lot of people will hate on it because they took out the RX-7's rotary and soul, but I like it. I'm actually dropping an LS3 in my Miata soon, so I like these things. This is a 1969 Corolla. Super clean, super clean. Look at that. Rocking the first gen R888s. Interior wise, super simple, Nardi wheel. Just typical flares back in the day. Look at that big ass exhaust, man. And here's Patrick's car. We shot this thing in LA one time. Remember the still video? Yeah, well, this is the same car. What's up, dude? How you doing?
Long time no see, man.
Yeah, same, dude.
I'll see you around, okay?
Yeah. Lots of friends here at Stance Nation. So lots of Subis, lots of Evos. Another Evo on our 888Rs. Super fancy engine bay. We got Bridge seats, Vertex wheel, SSR wheels. 1972 Datsun 510. TEs and arch plate Rs. Come on, man. Staple. Super clean, functional interior. Red seats. And I'm pretty sure that's an SR20. Big boost. Here's a really cool MB. R1R, CCWs. I think that's, I forgot who makes that bar. Hard Dog? I have the Zarek one in my Miata, so it doesn't look like that. You got your beer tap, shifter. Oh man, that doesn't look safe. It looks cool. Super nice fitment. Nana likes corgis. Oh, it's over. Man, that is the best like pickup game. Bring your puppy to car show day. Oh man, look at this. Woo, fire. Was this jade green Supra? Ooh, man. The Supra is wet. Literally. What is that? Why is it wet? Fancy. What's up?
What's up? How you doing?
I was just talking about your car. I like the green. I like the green. Here we go. There's a theme going on here. Brid, Vertex. Oh. No, keys. Love this car. We shot this in LA as well, but he looked a little bit different. Still rocking Toyo arch plate Rs, green TEs. And I think this is the Veris wide body. Often mistaken for the RWB kit. These guys actually came out, I think, before RWB. Another Endless Projects car. Super clean. This was in our SEMA booth last year.